Hi, Chris here at Sonax GB. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the brand spanking new Sonax Hypercoat. This is a product I've been so excited for since I heard about it last year. It's incredible. It is a spray-on, rinse-off, rinse aid that adds a water behavior, a slick finish, and the gloss all in one. And the dilution, believe it or not, is 1 to 100 or 1 to 200. It's insane. So let me show you how to use it. So here we go. We have our vehicle, and if I hit this with some water, you'll see that there's not much water behavior on there, normally indicating there's not much protection. Also, that is an absolute pain in the backside to dry now, because if I'm going around with a towel, because I'm not going to be able to blow that dry, it's just going to be smearing water, my towel's going to get clogged up, and it's going to take me a long time and a lot more towels. So this is where Hypercoat comes in. So I've diluted it into a bottle, and first of all, you must wet the panel, like so. We take our Hypercoat. I've got it in a Sonax pump sprayer because it's easier, but you can also put it into a trigger spray as well if you want. You just spray it on to the wet panel. It can go on any surface, glass, wheels, plastics, whatever. It's entirely up to you. It's safe for all surfaces. Doesn't leave streaking either, which is fantastic. Once you've sprayed it on, you just rinse that off. And what you'll see, or what you can already see, suddenly now we have a nice protected panel. Look at that. Incredible. And that's gone from no beading, no protection to that, which is incredible. Just from 1 to 100. It's incredible. Also, it leaves a fantastic glossy finish, which you may be able to pick up. And also, it's really slick. So it leaves a nice slick finish. That's going to be easy. Durability is obviously not going to be that long. It's only spray and rinse, so you know, a few washes, but it's so little product and so easy to reapply. It's one of those things that you can just use every time. So if you're a professional, it's going to save you so much time and so many towels in drying a car. And if you're at home, it's a fantastic way to add protection very, very quickly. It's fantastic at topping up original coatings, waxes, polymer sealants, whatever you have. It is an amazing product. Yeah, I've been so excited to try it, and now you can see why. That is Sonax Hypercoat. We have so many more how-to videos on our channel. Please check them out, and I will catch you in the next one.